They're gonna have a junker out. Can't wait.
What up, team?
Hello.
They have junk mercy.
Yeah, Contenders isn't playing on the new
Or?
map. They're still in the old patch.
Yeah, cool. Here we go.
They're 2 patches behind technically now. But it's before the Tracers patch. What's on patch notes?
I'm fucking trapped.
I think they're fine. I don't think it's that important.
No hook.
Bro, when do you sleep,
Nah.
Akash?
He has no heal either. Hug half, no heal.
And it got mega buff?
I'm going in like 2 seconds. I'm walking in.
Oh, he's the best. Yeah, I think Orisa will be meta.
Oh, I love Kiriko.
But
Oh,
and if Orisa's meta, then that means
no
that
fucking way Kiriko
Ana will
is,
be
like,
meta.
I fucking hate Kiriko.
Because there's no shield, so why would you not just nade?
We almost have nano blade.
I think
We have to be
Winston?
focusing the support a little bit more.
I mean, I guess actually it's probably still Hog.
Like, the Kiriko was just standing there on point, and we were just on hog.
I don't know it'll be meta, honestly. I haven't touched Meadxr either, so I don't understand what he does.
I vote
Like,
you. You know what back kite that?
thank
I have
God.
ult. I can probably just ult in this. No, I won't.
Go to
still
Visa.
wait.
why are we not
Still
going?
waiting,
Yo, wait, why are we waiting?
I'm walking up. Ulting. Give me up. I'll took.
That guy's one.
Sure one.
Just walk in, walk in, walk in.
Oh, I'm so low. Please heal me. I'll just passively heal, actually.
Okay, we just have to walk earlier. Like, we got 2 picks. It's just 3.
Yeah, I've
just walk on
tried.
them.
It's just I get kind of obliterated by their team in like
In-game
2
voice volume, is
milliseconds.
it this?
Well, they don't have damage boost, they don't have junk, and you have fortify to live.
Voice chat?
Escort the payload.
Fine. We can just. They're gonna have everything to counter blade. I think we just try and grab blade to force stuff out, I guess.
Under my protection.
I'll let my Ana push cart.
I'm on payload.
Yeah, we just play slow.
I have ult this fight. Yeah, I don't. By the way, Akash, my premiere.
I got the Suzu out.
I was editing one of my things, and it's my premiere's just
Suzuing
fucked. So I don't. You should still send me the 3
I mean,
games and
yeah.
stuff like that for the future, but it wasn't the 7-hour VOD that I thought it was.
Hug top left still. I think.
Like I thought it was just like really buggy because I just had like a 9-hour VOD in there. But it's just my premiere is fucked, so I'm gonna reinstall that. I'm gonna render the video. I'm gonna render both your video and my video,
Are they forced off?
and
Oh, nice kill.
whenever I'm
outside.
making dinner.
Hug.
Oh. But then I'm gonna
Here,
reinstall Premiere afterwards.
Reload.
No log me.
But then I should be good for future.
Maybe winnable.
Set a torp.
I can ult. We can kill him.
I'm back.
I'm
On
dead.
the orb. Straight down. Hug left. I'm gonna get out. I'm incredibly low. Wait, my bad.
I have nano.
You have to work early. Yo, I can finish the. By the way, tell me. Yo, rewatch the first vid that I sent you, and tell me if you want that song or like find a song that you want.
No Kipino Suzu.
Because if that first song doesn't, we need a second song that goes along with that one as well. I don't know what type of music you wanted.
Junk, bridge side.
Step the junk right side.
Yeah,
step the
we
junk
need
right side.
we need a
After
second
nade
one.
now.
3, 2.
Nice. I cannot again. I'm playing main.
Okay, I have ult in 30. We need to get out of this room.
Wait, can we kill this torp? Can we kill
Fuck,
torp?
my bad. I walked in that shit.
Torp one.
You just net at me.
Nanotube administered.
I see half.
Got one here. Let's get the payload going.
You can't wait 5 minutes to blade and do this shit.
I got you.
All good,
Fuck
bro.
left side flanking. I slipped them inside. Left
Yeah,
side.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Walk towards point.
No hook.
Dark was 1. I can heal you.
Torb right side.
Are you?
Hug no heal. I'm
I'm gonna go kill Torb.
Go.
Never mind, there's a turret.
Wait.
Here. Kiri run on me. Kiri and Hug are both
I'm
at.
showing.
Is our Ana dead?
F gas.
Yes.
There we go.
No hook. Hog is still bottom here. I'm just gonna ult the point. I'm ulting the point.
Good job, team.
Nice. You kill Mercy.
Okay.
Let's stay point.
But
We
yeah,
push the left side. We can
Yeah,
flank the
basically, Akash, I don't know if you're still watching. Every single time that I try to
Shouldn't have
play the
games yet.
I'm editing and I'm watching the preview, it stutters like every 3 seconds,
okay.
and I was going crazy. That's why,
Almost have
dude.
mono, cannot
It took so long to edit the video. I'm going insane doing it,
Alright.
and it's actually still happening with my videos now.
Sure hook.
So I don't.
I have no abilities for it.
And if it's not
If you can
Premiere,
see
then I think my
right side
PC is
also.
just dying,
Hug one.
which I need to upgrade it anyways.
I'm walking out.
Is this the turret? That
Okay,
turret,
no.
that turret.
That's my plan this holiday season. Oh, I'm gonna be out of Dallas.
Cannot know
I'm
anything.
gonna be in Austin instead of
Fair one,
Dallas.
fair one.
Yeah,
Might not be a micro center, but yeah.
You can wait out the valve.
Enemy.
Go.
Hog left. Oh, I could have belled you. Got you.
I'm gonna need help.
Do you have do you have gold?
Mercy
Gold?
one.
You keep me up.
Reload.
Hug one. Kiriko and Torb.
Hey, just live for a second.
You damage, I heal.
Okay, crap.
I'll play ground turret.
I'm dead.
I trolled, my bad.
Oh, lucky.
But why was he spamming? I need healing. I kept trying to turn around for him.
One. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A. Stay focused. We have everything.
Yeah, I can hear it, but I don't know how loud it is for you guys. Enough for me. I didn't want to blast. I'm recording this game, so I don't want to blast it and get it like terrible. Oh,
Torb's going right. He's half.
bro, there's a Junkrat just spamming
Hey.
us.
Draw strength from nature.
Rip.
Anti. Breaking turret.
Rip can't hear now. Yeah, all that matters is that I can hear. Yeah, apologies. I can turn it up a little bit after this.
Mercy one.
Yeah, this song should work for your video. I'll see if it goes along with the second song. The second
Abilities
song,
right now, though.
we need 8 minutes of maybe like 8.5 verse.
No hook again.
But these are both like 330.
Drunk one.
We'll need a third.
Yep.
I'll see.
I'm walking up on these.
Mercy
I
one.
have them res.
Let's have they can.
Kill Hog.
Still hug here. Pushing Torb. Purple one.
Enemy here.
We need help with Torb. Step health.
Ah, you got it.
I got it.
Oh, I'm the worst. Holy shit. Alright, let me turn the music up.
They swapped Sigma.
All right for the beat drop and everything?
Yeah, let me know when.
Yeah, this song should be fine. Still pretty quiet for you guys, I assume, but
Watch out for this one.
I have ult, we should be
Play
fine.
fast.
Yeah, we have ults here.
Let the keep
No.
Enemy here. Rocket barrage incoming. I'm grateful.
Kiriko one.
Got one here.
I'm on their Sig right now.
Mine's a-
Out of the shield.
Sig one. Oversat.
I can't
Mercy
push
one,
them.
Mercy one. Holy shit, I choked. If this song doesn't go long, then just look at one from the source. Yeah, I can do that. Oh, my PC has 110 frames. Come on, man. Fix that. Stop being terrible, please.
Just walk up on me.
But yeah, I can do that. Meditating between Qs right now, and then
I have ult here.
Yeah, just
Oh my god, kill him.
that was a huge anti.
Cancel.
Big one. Nice.
No way.
Släpp Sojourn innan och Faga, playing main.
Okay, okay.
This ends.
No, 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 no.
No rush. Okay.
Front dice.
I might still do it
Yeah, no
before
lamp.
the warm up. I might take like a small break before one beneath.
The sig.
No, god, I think I'm dead.
No, it'll be 100% no matter what.
Nice,
It's
fine.
just if you want me to take a break.
You're gonna.
I'm here.
I left you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm dead.
You take a lot of damage, huh?
It's pretty much done. I need to add the music and then do those 2 cuts.
The guy side. Slap them guys, I can
Yeah,
3,
I'll
2, 1.
3, 2.
My gift to you.
They're dead.
I have ult. You can go to point with it.
I got one tap.
Yeah, it's towards point. Just walk.
One back, foot. No lamp. I'm on 6 now.
Way, bro.
Caps
Left
behind us.
side, behind us.
Come in.
Let me balance you out.
Nice.
Nice.
I didn't know Aurora. Just force hands on Sig, okay?
It's used.
Next five, just force hands. Talk to him.
He's one.
Wait.
Nice.
Wait, cast one. No, not anymore.
Wow, I'm gonna go poke pre-fight. We have an honor to heal.
60 seconds remaining.
One guy behind you.
Okay, okay. Wait, we can, there is Surge ult.
Third's ready.
There's
Yeah.
Surge ult.
Ready? I'm gonna go now.
Yeah, go.
Their BAP has no shift, by the way. No lamp either.
That one. Good.
Watch out for this one.
Swerve is on the guide side, running away.
Enemy here.
You can push him.
Got your parachute.
Alright, we need to build up, circle.
I'm just gonna get a pick pre-fight and we can just win off that.
They're
Maybe.
gonna have flex again.
Yeah.
We're back one.
Oh, that
Holy
spear,
shit.
bro.
They res,
I
but
get an iron. Can't take that.
Missed.
cast
Wait,
one.
Cast can die. Bap one.
What's up?
Damn, I can't hit 2 headshots in a row. I'm the worst.
No wrath.
I'm 90 on my ult. We can just play point. Actually, kill Sig.
I'm just killing Sig.
Yeah, I'm with you. Nice, GG.
GG.
GG's.
Papaya Pete gaps me? Papaya Pete just lost, actually.